Meaning of intolerance.
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 Intolerance. The term intolerance refers to a lack of willingness or ability to accept and respect the beliefs, behaviors, or opinions of others that are different from our own. It is the opposite of tolerance, which involves accepting and recognizing diversity and individual differences. Intolerance can manifest in various forms, including racism, sexism, homophobia, religious bigotry, and political prejudice, among others. It often leads to conflicts, discrimination, and sometimes even violence, making it an important issue to address in our society.